you about to start your dietetic placement and feeling a little bit overwhelmed? Whether you're heading into a community or acute setting, knowing what to prepare ahead of time can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. Today, I will walk you through some essential things you need to do before your placement, from what to wear, what to bring, and how to stay organized. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Know your placement setting. The first thing you need to do is understand the setting of your placement. There are two main types, community and acute settings, and the preparation for each is different. Personally, I have been staying in acute settings so far. So in acute setting, mainly we are following hospital team. We will be working in a structured hospital environment. Basically, uniform is required every working days. You need to expect a fast-paced environment with patients in critical care. For a community setting, the schedule varies depending on the role. Sometimes it's clinics, home visits, health promotion. You might not need to wear a uniform every day. So, of course, it's best to ask your trust or placement provider if you are unsure about the specific requirement. If you're unsure about any dress code, the setting, what to bring, just feel free to reach out to your placement coordinator or preceptor. It's always better to clarify beforehand than to cut off guard. So you can also show that you're very proactive to know about how to following the rules instead of waiting ahead afterwards. Step 2. Uniform and professional appearance. Looking professional is key during your placement. Most placements, especially in acute settings, have strict uniform guidelines. Here are some things you can keep in mind to make sure your uniform rose is alright. So basically, never thought about nail polish, extra rings, fancy earrings, perfume, and necklace. Even on your face piercing, it's better to remove most of them. Instead, using there is a transparent piercing instead to cover the pierce. So never thought about put a piercing on your eyebrows when you work. For the socks and shoe, has to be navy or black. For myself, I just went to Primark or any other the shoes shop to buy black colors, so to make sure it is all safe in terms of color instead of buying navy, because sometimes maybe navy will be a bit too bright. So just keep in mind, then it should be fine. And also for the tattoo, although maybe in Asian country maybe less common, but tattoo in Western country is quite common, so you need to be more aware. If there is any offensive tattoo, you need to be covered, or no offensive tattoo should be visible. And also hair must be tied up if it's long, which is more common for girls. My classmate in community setting has slightly different dress code comparing to those in acute setting. So like what I've always said, to make sure reconfirm all the details with your trust or the placement provider. So to make sure your first impression is good. That's all for today. But there is so much more to share. In the next episode, I will bring more tips, insights, and experience to help you on the journey. Make sure to subscribe, follow, and stay tuned. This is Lily. Lily is testing. Bye.